Hey, what's up, YouTube? This is Sniper9, also known as 2424 Pikachu, and well, I just want to let you know, for those of you who are fans of Warcraft, I just went Horde. Lots of fun. Here's my pet Honor Kills. He's a little kitty. And there's me. I'm a Blood Elf. As you can clearly see, I'm Blood Elf. So, I'm still on Garona. My name is still Sniper9. Yes, it is. If you want to find me, I'm usually online after 2:18 or before 6:30 a.m. So, yep. Alright. See ya.